this is Maisha with Plentiful Hair Studio. Plentiful Hair Studio, I say it all the time. The Plentiful Hair Studio is not a wig store. Now, a lot of places you'll see online, they'll make the va-va-va-voom pieces, and they'll show you, and they'll say this wig is da-da-da-da. I'm not trying to push wigs as much as I'm trying to show different options for alternative hair. Now, sometimes when you come in for a hair loss consultation, sometimes at the end of the day, the best option for you, the most affordable option for you, might end up being a nice daily wear nice daily wear wig. Sometimes that is the best option for you. Now, one thing, there are so many different types of daily wear pieces. There are so many different types of full coverage units, and one full coverage unit is a unit that has a lace base. Now, one thing about lace is hair is ventilated on lace, meaning that it is pulled through and knotted. Since it is knotted, there is going to be a long hair and a short hair, and that short hair on the top of the wig is normally called a return hair, because again, it's the hair that's looped on the other side. So sometimes those return hairs can stick up, and sometimes it's a telltale sign that you have on alternative hair. So one way that I tell my guests, or if I don't tell them, one way that you can hide the return hairs is like this. Now, normally when we wear our full coverage pieces that have lace, like I said, the hairs are tied to that lace, and that is called ventilation, right? And like I said, there's going to be a shorter hair and a longer hair. These shorter hairs sometimes will stick up on your hairpiece. You see the shorter pieces, but a way that I tell my clients to hide that hair is, especially on the top, you don't have to do it all over, but take the top section of the hairpiece, get your blow dryer, and blow those hairs through. You see them coming through? All of those short hairs are coming through the top. You see them underneath? Now they are not sitting on the top of your unit like they were before, so you don't see them as much. So you can do that on the top, all around on both sides, and then you can put like a little bit of a spray on it, or like I said, this side hasn't been done yet. You see the little return hairs here, so we'll get the top section of the hairpiece, smooth it out a bit, get your blow dryer, and blow all of them through to the other side. So now when you go to wear your hairpiece, you don't see those short hairs. You see? Thank you for watching my video. www.plentifulhairstudio.com. See how smooth it is now? It's very smooth.